गोदरेज प्रॉपर्टीज ने अपने खास होम हैंडओवर प्रोग्राम शुभ आरंभ के तहत ओखला में स्थित गोदरेज साउथ एस्टेट में घर मिलने के पल को बहुत ही खास बना दिया है। यहाँ घर की चाबी देना सिर्फ एक फॉर्मेलिटी नहीं थी, बल्कि एक जश्न था, एक नई शुरुआत का, जहाँ नए घर में कदम रखने वाले परिवारों का स्वागत एक सुंदर सजे सवरे और पॉजिटिव माहौल में किया गया। इस मौके पर डिजाइनर और फिटनेस लवर रिद्धिमा कपूर साहनी भी मौजूद रहीं, जिनकी मौजूदगी ने पूरे कार्यक्रम को और भी यादगार बना दिया। गोदरेज साउथ स्टेट को खास तौर पर वेलनेस को ध्यान में रखकर बनाया गया है, जहां हरियाली, खुली जगह और ऐसा डिजाइन है जो लोगों को सुकून और सेहत दोनों देता है। या घरों के अंदर साफ और ताज़ी हवा के लिए एडवांस सिस्टम लगाए गए हैं, ताकि लोग हर दिन बेहतर और हेल्दी महसूस कर सके।
Good afternoon, everyone. It's a pleasure to be here at the Shubh Arambh ceremony at the Godrej South Estate. Today marks a special moment, a memorable moment as you receive keys to your new homes and begin a new chapter. I already see some very happy faces, smiling faces, excited faces, but that's exactly what Godrej aimed to achieve. Happiness. Happiness first, before everything. So congratulations to all the homeowners and welcome to your new neighborhood.
We have our the best passport, how many, total life together.
If I had an apartment here, I would leave the complex because everything is just here. You have the clubhouse, you can breathe easy. I mean, mamas, take your babies out now, and you don't have to worry. Morning joggers, go out, hassle.
नहीं बोलना उनको, नहीं बाबा लिफ्ट के नीचे आ जाओ. And I think when you're there at the resort, because that's all Abby very rightly said.
I don't think it's about me, my introduction, but purely about two things. One is that about each and every home buyer here. Big thank you to each one of you for being here. This is a special day and this is all about each one of you. And the second that I would like to talk about is definitely Godrej Properties, who has given us an opportunity to create something like this, which has never been seen before in terms of the technology that has been introduced. It really takes a lot to be the leader, to take that first mover advantage to ensure that we are the ones who are doing it. So I think really thank you for the kind words that you said, but really it's all about each of the home buyers here and the great work that we have been able to do with Godrej Properties to get this beautiful project executed and today delivering it to the real owners, to the homeowners in Delhi. So this is the first one that we are delivering in Delhi. It gives me immense pleasure and I feel very proud that we are having this moment with all the home buyers, of course with Riddhima Hussain and the whole team here to acknowledge the fact that we stand by the quality that we say that we will deliver to our homeowners. With the experience that you all signed up for, and today we all are here to ensure that you enjoy it, feel it. The CTFA and the MFFA technology that we talk about is not just what we say as words, but something that we are demonstrating here. You all have already experienced it when we had few rounds with you to see that what this technology is about. A couple of you have also experienced it, but I will really encourage each one of you to see each of the outdoor units that has been already implemented here. The way it is purifying the air, what I am holding here is a reading not too long ago, but yesterday evening, where we see that in Delhi, while the AQI was 341, here in outdoor, not indoor, it was 68.
Wow, absolutely right. That's brilliant.
So I think the idea was that each one of you should breathe this fresh air. Today we are delivering it. You will have your keys or you've had your keys. We are here to stand by and make this moment fully special. And this entire piece, I repeat, this entire piece is only and only for our home buyers who've entrusted, who've shown their confidence in this project. And as we enter the season of Shubh Arambh, we are delivering across Delhi NCR. But to be standing here in Delhi and delivering the project is really a moment of immense pride. So congratulations to each and every one of you. This is really the Shubh Arambh and very happy to be a
These
part.
moments also very, very memorable, I'm sure. We'll have great moments in the future, but this will be one that will be remembered for a lifetime.